Friend, how are you? Hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn about one type of chemical reaction named combination reaction. So let us start. What is combination reaction? A chemical reaction in which two or more elements oblique substances oblique compounds combine to form a single new compound. New compound is known as combination reaction. Now, what is the general form of combination reaction? We take two element or compound or substance A and B, combine these to form type of single compound AB. That is A plus B to form AB is general form of combination reaction. Now take some example. First example, burning of charcoal C plus in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Another example, burning of magnesium Mg in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide in the form of powder. As we know that this reaction is not a balanced reaction, so balance it by put 2 here and 2 here. As we know that these are burning of carbon and magnesium, large amount of energy in the form of heat is released. So if we put here heat, then these example of exothermic reaction also. Exothermic reaction. Now we learn about this chemical reaction, that is burning of magnesium in the presence of oxygen, and also about what is the nature of magnesium oxide, that is acidic or basic. So let us start. Experiment or combination reaction, that is burning of magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen, and also what is the nature of the product we get in this reaction, that is magnesium oxide, test tube, magnesium ribbon, tongues, sandpaper, candle, matchbox, watch glass, blue and red litmus paper, plain water and glass rod. First of all, we take magnesium ribbon and clean it with the help of sandpaper, because white layer of oxide is deposited on it, which slow down the process of burning of magnesium ribbon. So we clean it with the help of sandpaper. After that, we ignite the candle. Put magnesium ribbon with the help of tongues. Some precautions is take place because this magnesium ribbon, when we burn it, it burn with the dazzling white light, which is harmful for eye if we see direct it. So we should not see direct it. What happen? See. We put the ash or powder in watch glass. We get it, this powder, we crush it, it becomes a powder of magnesium oxide. Now we put it into test tube. We get it, the magnesium oxide inside test tube. Now we check what is the nature of magnesium oxide. We mix some plain water in it. And also mix with the help of glass rod. We take blue litmus paper and put it into solution. What happens? When we put blue litmus paper in it, there is no effect, that is blue. So this is not acidic in nature. Now we take red litmus paper and put it into solution. What happens? It becomes blue. So nature of this solution, which is magnesium hydroxide, when we mix water in magnesium oxide, it becomes magnesium hydroxide. And nature of magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Ultimately nature of magnesium oxide is basic in nature. This is all about combination reaction and burning of magnesium ribbon in the presence of air. Thank you.